pack an order with me. This order is for Jobanna in Pennsylvania. So they ordered 14 fidget packs for their son's birthday party. These are the sensory fidget packs. Let's put them together. These are super cute. I already went ahead and printed the outside stickers, but let's make the bags. So these get one of these sensory stones. They all have different textures on them, front and back. And one of these sticker textured strips. A fidget spinner. And a fidget ring. And these are some examples of what some of them will look like. Let's pack them up. First, it's the packing slip. Make sure you got the right quantity and the right name. Double check the sticker and count 1, 2, 14. Sorry, we have ducks and I'm watching them through the window here, seeing what they're doing. The fox was here this morning, so I have to be careful. I gotta watch, make sure he don't come back. I got these new mailers that came in yesterday for the spring. I always change these out, the mailers for like the seasons, and I went with these for the spring. Look how cute these are. I love them. Okay. Now she needs a shipping label. I have to just weigh this and measure it. Okay. That's it. Off to the post office. Hope your kiddo enjoys.